thing like they run in mouth.
Hey y'all, it's your girl Drew Nicole back with another one. So this was Sunday morning and my husband decided to cook me breakfast before I went to work. Right on low. Okay. Hey, can't talk like that.
You got to hurry up. Lady say you got to hurry up. You killing me.
Damn, we ain't need that at all.
I'm cooking breakfast too. Just be thankful.
Oh, Nash be thankful.
Just always be thankful. One of them things.
What did I say?
One of them things.
One of what thing? Now you don't want to say.
What you gotta do?
I don't know what you're talking about. Cooking 101. Listen.
We raw dogs over here, goddamn.
Hey.
We don't need no filming.
That's enough
Gangster.
oil. That's enough oil.
I gotta put 2 more on there. What I'm listening to you for?
Why you finna eat too? Yeah.
Okay, I'm glad you told.
I couldn't dare eat too something, no. Now you working with something. Man, I'm not this.
One of those things.
The EP5.
Yeah. You got always have one. That's a fact. Women of these, they want to run everything like they run their mouth. Ain't they know it all?
Got these fake pastors.
See what be going on? Get up, cook breakfast.
On the menu was sausage, eggs, and biscuits, and I made me some coffee. After I got done eating, I headed to work. So y'all just seen me clock in. And once we clock in, they give us our truck. And we have to do this pre-check on the truck. So that's what I was doing right here. I was filling out my information. You got to tell how much mileage is on the truck. You have to write down the temperature and the date and the number of the truck or whatever. So I was still doing my pre-check, and while I was on break, y'all know I had to stop by QT, and I was shocked because they updated their drink machines or whatever, and this was my first time seeing it, and I was happy to use the new machine. So lately, as I have been stopping by other QTs, I have been noticing that they are upgrading their drink machines as well. So if it's not at a QT that you've been to, I'm sure they'll eventually get around to doing it. So now I'm on my second break, and I had to give me something to eat, so I stopped at Zaxby's, y'all. And the food was good, don't get me wrong, but y'all, that stuff had my stomach hurting so bad.